Now, one other thing that kind of ends up happening is basically what happens if you basically start using your DJI Mic Mini and nothing seems to be working. Let's say it's completely not working, you're running into problems. Well, the big thing to remember here with your DJI Mic Mini is you are going to have to remember that this thing needs to be charged pretty, not super often, but you will have to be wary of the battery life. So go through on the backside and just keep charging and continue to charge up your DJI Mic Mini as often as you can. So whenever you get the chance of doing so, go ahead, plug in your particular adapter, plug it into your wall outlet, making sure it's charged up. The other thing too is that if you are connecting it via the receiver, not the Bluetooth method, you will have to make sure that it's fully connected and that it's not like kind of shifting or it's not causing you some problems. So with your receiver, this thing right here, you'll have to go through and make sure that if you're using the audio adapter within your camera or your iPhone, whatever you have, go through and just make sure that there's no problems there, making sure it's fully connected. On top of that, you might also want to make sure that if you're using the USB-C port, same exact thing goes. Plug it in via the USB-C port and try fixing it that method as well. Now, if that doesn't end up fixing it, another thing you might have to try doing too is to making sure that you're seeing these little blinking lights on your receiver or on your other microphones. Because if you're using these microphones, but you don't see any of the lights, you don't see any of the capability there, that can also be one of the big problems you might run into there too. Because that might mean that these things are dead and you haven't put them in properly inside of your case. So make sure that their case is charged and making sure that you fully connected them and you pair them up at the bottom. And as soon as you do, there should be a light that basically turns on. Hopefully that kind of ends up fixing your problems. Usually it's either a connection problem where you have to repair the receiver or the microphones to the device, or it's a battery life problem that you might be running into.